It's Patrick at Pals. Well, we've got our Mini Cooper here. In addition to having a water pump problem, it's got another problem. Chuck, tell us about this.
So all too often here in Florida, people who live on farms or in the country, they develop problems with rodents building nests in their vehicles. In this particular vehicle, we had some sort of rodent living in it. That's what took out the pump. What took out the pump was the rodent ate the wiring to the pump, causing it to short out.
So this is the air cleaner box for this vehicle, right?
That is correct.
And what we're looking at there is nesting for a rodent.
Correct.
So the rodent nested inside of here and then became hungry and ate the wiring harness to the water pump.
Yes, they like the silica, that's the coating on the outside of the wiring. I've seen all kind of problems over the years. I had a Cadillac not long ago where the rodent got up under the intake and actually ate the entire injector harness. So you want to be very careful where you live to avoid having rodents nesting under the hood of your car, because they will eat that wiring if they're hungry. So if you have a wiring problem, a rodent problem, or a nesting problem, bring it to Pals. We hope to see you soon.